Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing of this Instant Pot Chef series. This is a Rio Chef series. This is a 7-in-1. So this is exclusively from distributed by Walmart, especially for this Black Friday season here in Canada. So as you can see, the price is $58.98 Canadian dollar. So let's start by opening this box. This is a 6 quarts version. 5.7. So the original one, or the non-chef series, is I think it's 126 or 129 Canadian dollars, but this is really affordable, 58 or almost $60 only for Instant Pot. We have our Instant Pot Crisp Duo and we use it very well, and we saw this is on sale, and we are actually intended to use this for rice cooking, but at least we have another set of Instant Pot. So 6 quarts or 5.7 liters capacity. So let's see what's inside. Alright. And user manual. We're going to use that. It's important to read the user manual. And this is our cable and Instant Pot. So that's it. Let's put this aside. Okay. Anyway, this really look nice, nicer from my old compared to my old one. So this is a chef series. So you can see I'm wearing a chef uniform. I'm not a chef. This is my wife's uniform, but just to be in the theme. So this is a chef series of Instant Pot. The I'm not sure if it's original or the non-chef series. It has a lot of options here, but this is a 7-in-1. It's just missing the yogurt cook set here, but it has mostly all the setting that you need: the pressure cook, the saute. It has this rice, slow cook, steam, and egg, and the seventh use is the warm. And you can see here in the cover, this is the vent to release the steam. Really nice, and it's safer. Remove this and remove this yellow, or I mean orange paper. What does it say? It says warning, hot steam. Of course it's a hot steam. So up inside there's a seal. You can buy a replacement silicone seal here. If in the long run, when you use it, it will turn like yellowish. It will not affect the function, but you can replace it if you need to. And wow, that's nice, just in case this one got faded, so it means it will fade someday or get damaged, so you have a extra sticker like plastic type to replace that one. So it has this use this for like steaming or cooking eggs. And yeah, there's one inside here. Don't forget to remove this warning before using. Remove this one. And yeah, this is a 6 quart. This is the difference is this is made of aluminum and coated with ceramic coated. And again, this have this pressure cook, saute button here, option, rice and slow cook, steam and egg. Most of the time with my other Instant Pot, I'm using pressure cook and saute, and that one has an air fryer, so I also use the air fryer version or button. And this one, this is nice. You have a favorite button, to like a preset. Let's say you you use a pressure cook for, you always use 15 minutes and high temp. Once you set that the temperature and timer, you can just press this or hold this for 3 seconds and it will save that preset. So every time you want to cook the same dish and you're using the same timer, just press this preset favorite button number 1 or wherever you input your settings. Again, this is a power cord. This and go on this side here, and yeah, this one is a condensation collection. This one stays here, but don't forget to remove this if this is full. Throw it away, wash it, slide it down because this one has a hole. So close it. There's an arrow here. Just turn it clockwise. Okay. Nice. Here. And this is a inner pot. This is a aluminum ceramic coated. So there's a measurement here. 2/3 is a pressure cooker max level of food or water. And I noticed they have this rubber inside. Yeah, there's a rubber. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try to show you. You can see that the black rubber here on that side. Those black rubber are here. These 4. Those are there to prevent this one from escaping. Because my other one don't have that rubber. So it's a stainless steel. It keeps on spinning when I'm cooking. Those. And this is a steam valve. You can remove this for cleaning. And this one also, you can remove this if you want to clean it. Yeah, this one. To put it back. And this part can also be removed. Just remove this silicone. See, clean it also. These removable parts can be purchased if you need one, or if you lose one or you damage one. You can buy this. I'm not sure. Maybe it's in Amazon also. And even inner pot, you can buy another one in Amazon if you want. So it's around $40. Stainless steel is around $70. So if you see, this is only almost $60, but the inner pot stainless steel is worth $70 already. So this is affordable. Rio Chef series. So now we will be trying to use the rice setting of this instant pot Rio. So I will put 3 cups of rice. This is a jasmine rice. 2, 3. So these are 3 cups of rice. And then I have to wash it. So after washing the rice, I have to put 3 cups of water also. This is 1:1 measurement. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then how it looks. Have to level the rice. Okay, I think this is level. Okay, now we have to close the lid, line it up here. If you can see this arrow, line it up here, and then twist clockwise. Then we will use the preset rise. That's a default setting, and then start. Make sure that this is on a steam. This steam release, it should be in seal, so that the pressure will build up. If you forgot to put it on vent, the pressure will just be escaping and you won't be able to cook the rice. So make sure that it's in seal mode. And then even if it says 12 minutes, it will still take time to build up the pressure. Once the pressure is there, it's the time when the 12 minutes countdown will happen. The count started to show up now. It's 11 minutes left, and we'll be back after 1 minute left. I'll show you how it looks like. You can see it's 30 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10. So it means it's cooked. I will press this cancel, and then I have to press this steam release, like vent. So wait for this pin to go down. Right now you cannot open it. That's a safety feature. If this one is still up, because of the pressure, you cannot open it. So now it's down. You can open it, and then oops, there's a lot of water. And then use a plastic spoon or ladle, because this is ceramic coating. You don't want to scratch your ceramic coated inner pot. The other instant pot have a stainless steel. That one you can use fork. Yeah. Let's cook. All grains are cooked. No sign of burnt rice at the bottom. Okay. Alright. So yeah, with the 3 cups of rice, I use the default setting of the rice here, which is 12 minutes, and it worked. So yeah, that's how to use this to cook rice. And yeah, it's really easy. You can even decrease the timer if you want, because the other one, my old instant pot, I used the high pressure cook and just set it up for 3 minutes and then leave it for natural pressure release for 10 minutes and then it's cooked. So this way I've just used the rice setting with the 12 minutes cooking time and then steam release and then make it plop the rice. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.